Hello, welcome back to the channel, and oh boy, we have some jolly good news which we're certain will be welcomed by most of the Doge community. In recent weeks, we've seen the price of Dogecoin spike up at a jerky pace after its recent crash when Elon Musk appeared on SNL. True, the currency was expected by investors to move above the resistance levels and enter the $1 territory since it was hovering at an all-time high of about 69 cents. But due to some comments made about cryptocurrencies in general during that broadcast, the meme coin dropped significantly, nearing the support levels at 31 cents. The situation appears to have gotten significantly better for Doge, and a breakout is expected soon, but until then, let's examine the possibility of a collaboration between Dogecoin and Ethereum. Stick around as we explore everything we might expect from this move and how it will affect the markets. Before we move on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. You can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. Tesla boss and cryptocurrency supporter Elon Musk, after helping the Bitcoin price reach never-before-seen highs this year with a $1.5 billion bet on Bitcoin, appears to have abandoned the cryptocurrency owing to a variety of reasons which stem from the cryptocurrency's inefficiency in terms of carbon footprint, as well as other factors such as not being an ideal token for day-to-day transactions. A few weeks ago, there were speculations that Doge and Ethereum could enter a collaboration, and it appears that Elon Musk was in agreement with this notion. I pretty much agree with Vitalik, Musk posted on Twitter this week, replying to a wide-ranging YouTube interview with the Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin by AI researcher and podcaster Lex Fridman. In the interview with Ethereum's de facto leader, Fridman asked whether it would be possible to upgrade Dogecoin to beat Bitcoin hands down, as Musk has previously suggested. With Buterin saying if Doge wants to somehow bridge to Ethereum and then people can trade Doge thousands of times a second, that would be amazing. There's a power behind someone like Elon Musk pushing the development of a cryptocurrency, said Fridman, asking is there a way to leverage that power and momentum to improve Ethereum? I think if we can have a secure Doge to Ethereum bridge, that would be amazing. And then when Ethereum gets any scalability that works for Ethereum assets, you would be able to trade wrapped Doge with very low transaction fees and very high speed as well, said Buterin. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, late last year began a long-awaited upgrade that its developers hope will lower its eye-wateringly high fees and speed up its heavily congested blockchain. However, Ethereum's upgrade to the so-called proof-of-stake token creation and transaction validation model and away from Bitcoin's proof-of-work model is expected to take years to complete, with a slew of Ethereum rivals jostling for market share in the meantime. Sometime this year, Musk suggested the somewhat satirical Dogecoin should speed up and drop its fees to become the currency of Earth in comments that recalled Bitcoin's 2017 civil war, which resulted in a community schism and the creation of the payments-focused Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrency. Musk's support has helped the Dogecoin price soar many thousands of percent to a mind-blowing near $50 billion market capitalization this year, and has said he sees a battle coming between government-backed fiat currencies and protocol-based cryptocurrencies. However, Buterin warned against ascribing any deep intentionality to Musk's comments on Dogecoin, something that Musk himself has said should not be taken seriously. I think you'd be making a mistake if you ascribed any sophisticated malevolence or deep intentionality to the whole process, Buterin said. Elon is just a guy who likes dogs, like I like dogs. Musk has said he had plans to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon with his rocket company SpaceX's Doge 1 mission to the moon early next year, and has sent Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices on a roller coaster this year. I haven't and won't sell any Dogecoin, Musk tweeted last month in response to an investing influencer's claim Musk has a large Doge holding. In February, Musk sent Bitcoin sharply higher when he announced Tesla had bought $1.5 billion worth of the cryptocurrency, boosting it still further when the company said it would accept Bitcoin as payment before rolling back Tesla's Bitcoin ambitions due to Bitcoin's huge carbon footprint. Interestingly, 7 years ago on the Dogecoin subreddit, Litecoin founder Charlie Lee had proposed a merged mining of Litecoin and Dogecoin. Dogecoin adopted the merged mining model in August of 2014, and within 1 month, Dogecoin's hash rate and mining difficulty increased by 1,500% as large mining pools widened their operations. However, Buterin believes that the same doesn't appear to be a very good choice now, because Dogecoin is bigger than Litecoin. The meme coin comfortably occupied the 6th position on CMC's rankings and was trading at the 35 cents mark at recording time. With a market cap of over $11.6 billion, Litecoin, on the other hand, stood 14th and was trading at $172. It's hard to choose a potential replacement for government-backed currency, but as with investing in biotech stocks or trying to cure cancer, it's probably best to diversify across a few that seem to have potential. That said, there are 3 characteristics that have me leaning towards Ethereum. The first is the support of developers. A recent report showed that in the third quarter of 2020, an average of nearly 2,300 developers per month were working on Ethereum. That number was slightly less than 400 for Bitcoin. Second, the interest and promotion of celebrities makes it difficult to determine which incentives are really driving activity around the largest cryptocurrency. In other words, are people actually using Bitcoin, or are they just getting paid to talk about it? Finally, price appreciation. Although the recent drop in prices has affected all crypto assets, this is clearly a market driven by speculation. In such cases, choosing the asset with the most momentum always seems like the better bet. In this case, that's Ethereum. One last key factor in why a bridge between Dogecoin and Ethereum would be the best strategy as opposed to Bitcoin and Doge is that people essentially forget that Ethereum is a network while Bitcoin is a currency, so to speak. Ether is the actual token, though people use these terms interchangeably. So it's not a Coke versus Pepsi comparison, but more of a Coke versus vending machine, as initially Ethereum was supposed to work hand in hand with Doge, but ended up becoming competition in the end. So in the simplest terms, a collaboration between Dogecoin and Ethereum would be compatible in that it would just be the joining of a cryptocurrency to a crypto network to boost it, as well as offer a stable platform to carry out transactions at a fast pace while still promoting secure links. The puzzle now makes sense, considering how we've seen the billionaire distance himself from Bitcoin because it's too saturated to be able to properly integrate with Doge. According to analysts, we also see Bitcoin as being an investment rather than a currency, and some have pointed out that Tesla stopped accepting it as payment because it's essentially using an appreciating asset to purchase a depreciating asset, which is in itself very inefficient. So will this move help Doge overcome resistance levels and spike to a new all-time high? Well, this could most certainly be the case if this goes through. Another factor that might come as a byproduct is Ethereum also benefiting from the leverage gained from working with Dogecoin. And with factors such as Elon Musk being major proponents in the digital finance space, this could inspire a bull run, which most coins can benefit and thrive from. As mentioned in one of our previous videos, Elon Musk is rumored to have a separate whale account, which is frequently seen carrying out transactions to which analysts have speculated to be test transactions to assess the progress being done by developers. On a number of occasions, the wallet has become the second largest Doge wallet. The coincidence that around $1.5 billion worth of Dogecoin was transferred to a joint address as a test transaction might signal that Tesla is working on accepting Doge as a form of payment. This would be the perfect interval to form a bridge between Ethereum and Doge in our opinion. As we mentioned before, we're speculating the transactions to be developer tests, and as such, Ethereum could chip in and provide other amendments to improve compatibility with its network to provide a smooth bridge. GitHub and other coding forums also seem to be holding the same discussions. Several developers pointed out on GitHub that some of the changes and adjustments were present under the review section, signaling that the process is in full effect. The transfer of $1.5 billion also links to the same transactions done by Tesla before they started accepting Bitcoin. We predict that following Musk's agreement, beside having asserted that Vitalik was afraid of Doge, proves that the path still looks pretty green. The other transactions that are being carried out also serve as strengthening mechanisms for Dogecoin, so we could expect a breakout as soon as it's made official by the two parties. The current prices of Doge are not as bad as analysts had predicted, so this move will certainly provide enough momentum to move past the resistance levels to a new price, which analysts have indicated to be above the $1 barrier. If we continue seeing many platforms such as Coinbase and Robinhood support the currency, this collaboration will yield spectacular results, and there will be substantial improvement on the trendline. Tell us what you think about this development, and what do you expect from this collaboration? Let us know in the comments section. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. And remember, you can now support us on Patreon and join our free Discord group via the link in the description. As always, good luck and happy investing.